Hello my lovely students, welcome back to my channel. So this is Khushi and today we are going to do our English reader book from page number 36 to 38. Okay, we have already completed Jungle Safari chapter and we have also done the exercises. So today we are going to do page number 36 to 38. On page number 36 there is a D question in which it's written read it yourself. Okay, so a diary is given to us, a pictorial diary in which many different places are mentioned. Okay, so we will read that diary in this today's video. Okay, so let's start with that. You all must have your books with you, but if you are not having, I'm sharing the page here so you can see from there and learn with me. Okay, so read it yourself. Asta lives in Kashmir. She is in class 4th. During her summer vacation, she visited many places. During her tour, she clicked many photographs and made notes. Let us know about these places through Asta's pictorial diary. So Asta is a student and of class 4. She lives in Kashmir and she went for her summer vacation. Okay, in her summer vacation, she visited many tourist places and there she clicked the photograph, she prepared some notes, so she has made a diary on that. Okay, so let's read whatever she has written in her diary. Okay, page number 37. First place that she has mentioned is Dal Lake, that is on Srinagar. Okay, so many Kashmiris and tourists live on houseboats. They live on the Dal Lake with water all round them. Boatmen bring different articles of daily need to the people in house. So this place is mentioned about Dal Lake. So in Dal Lake, what is there? Kashmiris and tourists. What did they do? They live on houseboats. Okay, so there are houseboats and water is only there. Water is all around. Okay, on the Dal Lake. Then boatmen bring different articles of daily need to the people in houseboats. So boatman, the person who is there in the boat, so he brings different types of articles. Now let's come to the second place, that is Rock Garden in Chandigarh. So this has been built by Mr. Nek Chand. So this rock garden is made by whom? Mr. Nek Chand. Okay, he used waste materials like bangles, tube lights, broken ceramics, electric wires and sockets, etc. to create human or animal figures. So this full rock garden is made out of waste materials. Okay, so he has used waste materials like bangles, tube lights, sockets, electric wires and etc. So this full place is made up of waste materials. There are more than 5,000 sculptures in the garden. So 5,000 sculptures, 5,000 statues are there and you can also see the picture that is given there. Okay, now let's come to the next place, that is Golden Temple in Amritsar. So the center of Sikh religion, the main building of the temple is built in the middle of a water tank. So this is Golden Temple is all about Sikh religion. Okay, so the main building of this temple, so the main building is in where is middle of a water tank. So the main building is situated in the middle of a water tank, means in the middle of the water. Okay, so the building is covered with pure gold. So the building is fully there with pure gold. The sacred book of the Sikhs, Guru Granth Sahib, is kept in the shrine. So the sacred book, for example, in Hinduism we are having Ramayana, Gita and all. In Christianism we are having what? Bible we are having. So same way in Sikh religion, what is their book? That is Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, so that is kept in the shrine. Now let's come to the next page and read the next tourist places. Next place is India Gate, Delhi. This is an arch built in the memory of the soldiers of the Indian Army who were killed in World War I. It is a 42-meter high impressive structure. So India Gate was made for the memory. Okay, many soldiers were killed in World War I. So for their memory, the structure was made. And it is a 42-meter high impressive structure. So it is 42-meter long and it's very beautiful. Okay, very impressive structure. Next, come to Taj Mahal, that is situated in Agra. The Taj Mahal was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his beloved queen Mumtaz Mahal. So Shah Jahan made the Taj Mahal, and why he made? Because for his wife, that is Queen Mumtaz Mahal, for her memory. Okay, she was dead and for her memory he made the Taj Mahal. It is made of white marble and looks very beautiful in the moonlight. So when moon is there, so it looks very beautiful and it's made up of white marble. Okay, it has now been named among the 7 wonders of the modern world. So Taj Mahal comes under the 7 wonders of the world. Let's come to peacocks in Rajasthan. There are very attractive birds. These are very attractive birds. They are seen at many places in Jaipur, Jodhpur and Udaipur. So in Rajasthan there are many beautiful peacocks. So she have mentioned that these are very attractive, these are very beautiful, and we can see these peacocks where in Jaipur, Jodhpur and Udaipur. Okay, their feathers are very beautiful. We can also see peacock figures on the walls of old places in Rajasthan. So the feathers of the peacock are very beautiful. If you have seen a peacock dancing in the rain, so you must know how she or he looks. Okay. So we can also see peacock figures on the walls of old places in Rajasthan. So in old places, old memory places where structures are made, so peacock drawings are also there on it. So we can see peacocks there also. Okay, now our last is the Gateway of India, Mumbai. So it was built in 1924. In front of this structure is a statue of Shivaji, the great leader. So Gateway of India was made in 1924, and in front of the structure, whose statue is there? Shivaji's statue is there, who was a great leader. So we have completed all our page number 36 to 38, all the tourist places that who visited. Asta visited. Okay, she lives in Kashmir and she visited so many places in her summer vacation. She made a diary, a pictorial diary, writing the notes on these pictures, on these places and pasting the pictures. Okay, so we have completed 36 to 38, and also we have completed our unit 2 of our English reader book. So if you haven't seen all the videos of mine, I have done unit 1 and unit 2 till now, so you can go to the channel page and you can see. And if you are not finding it, playlist is also there, so you can go and you will receive DAV class 4 English reader full playlist. Okay, so in that every page we have covered in that playlist. Okay, so we have completed with our unit 1 and unit 2 now. Let's come to unit 3 in our next videos. Okay, so do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do encourage me with your lovely comments, and bye.